How to install SX Series Fumoto Valves. Step 1. Prepare. Remove the drain plug and drain the oil completely. Clean the drain port area. Step 2. Assemble. Make sure the O-ring is sitting in the groove and is completely flat. Insert the through bolt into the valve. Do not press it all the way into the body. Make sure the O-ring is still visible. The bolt head will be on the same side as the Fumoto logo on the body. Step 3. Tighten. Hand tighten the bolt onto the oil drain port. Do not cross thread. Step 3. Tighten. Tighten the bolt completely. The bolt O-ring will seat into the valve body and no longer be visible. You can use an open wrench or hex head for installation. Rotate the valve to the desired final position and hold the body while tightening. Make sure to not over-tighten. If your vehicle has low ground clearance and the valve can only be installed facing down, use an adapter to change the orientation of the valve. Step 4. Close the valve. Turn the lever until it clicks into the recession. Install the lever clip and refill with new oil.